In this video, I'll show you how to connect or pair your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro with an iPhone or an iOS device. Now, the first thing you need to do is ensure that your earbuds are in pairing mode, so simply open the case just like that. And if they don't enter pairing mode automatically, all you need to do is press this function button right down here with the pairing button for 2 seconds, just like that, until that light starts flashing white. Now once that happens, simply go into settings on your iPhone, and then in the settings tap on Bluetooth and ensure Bluetooth is turned on. And once it starts scanning for devices, you should see your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro, so simply tap on that, tap on them, and the pairing process is going to begin, and they are now going to be connected to your iPhone just like that. And now you can take them out and start using them to listen to music or consume any other media from your iPhone or iOS device. But that's basically how to connect or pair an iPhone or an iOS device. Basically pair your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro with an iPhone or an iOS device. I hope it was useful. Leave any questions or comments down below. Until the next video, take care and God bless.